भूल गया।
कोई बात नहीं. Degree is the highest power of the variable. Degree is the
Highest power
highest power of the
variable.
variable. Any doubt in degree?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, if I write something x square plus 3x plus 2. Now in this, which one is degree? This is called as degree.
Degree, yes, sir.
ठीक है?
Power.
Now, if I say I have y cube plus 3y square minus 9y plus 1. Now, what is the degree of this polynomial? What is the highest power of this polynomial?
Cube.
Cube. Very good. ठीक है? Now, if I say only I have a polynomial z plus 1. So, what is the degree of this polynomial?
Z.
There is no power. So, when there is no power, what do we call this as?
Linear polynomial.
वेरी गुड. एक्सलेंट एक्सलेंट. सो ध्यान रखना, जब भी आपके पास एक डिग्री होती है तो हम उसको कहते हैं लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. Whenever your degree is 2, then it is called as
Quadratic polynomial.
when degree is 3, it is called as,
Cubic polynomial.
and when degree becomes 4, it is called as
Biquadratic.
biquadratic polynomial. Is this much clear?
Yes, sir.
Pakka?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now if I ask you, what is zeros of the polynomial? Do you know?
Zeros.
Zeros of polynomial. Do you know what is zeros of polynomial?
No, sir.
Okay. Now always remember one thing. What is zero? Let's say I have a polynomial y plus 1. Right? Right?
Yes, sir.
I have a polynomial y plus 1. Now, what value of y should I place? Y की मुझे कौन सी वैल्यू रखनी चाहिए? y की ऐसी कौन सी वैल्यू रख दूं मैं ताकि मेरा पूरा पॉलिनोमियल जीरो बन जाए? बोलो तो.
Power.
पावर नहीं, y की कौन सी वैल्यू रख दूं कि पूरा पॉलिनोमियल जीरो बन जाए? y की जगह क्या रख दूं कि मेरा पॉलिनोमियल जीरो बन जाए?
-1.
वेरी गुड. y, the moment I will place y as -1, I will get the answer as 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, how do you come to know? Because it is very easy. By seeing, we can come to know we should place -1. Agreed?
Yes, sir. Yes,
But
sir.
if I say how to calculate the zero of the polynomial, how to calculate the
Zero
of the polynomial. Zero of the polynomial कैसे calculate करेंगे? Let's say I have a polynomial 2 by 3x plus 1. Now, what value of x should I place so that I will get 0? Okay. So इसको निकालने का क्या तरीका है? हमेशा हम इसको क्या करते हैं? इक्वल्स टू 0 कर देते हैं पहले.
zero कर देंगे.
है ना? And
Yes.
then we will transpose. So 2 by 3x is equals to -1 हो जाएगा. इतना क्लियर हुआ बच्चा आपको?
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड. इसके बाद 2 by 3 और x को हम अलग करेंगे तो x क्या हो जाएगा? -1 -1 तो वैसे ही रहा. ये 3 ऊपर चला जाएगा और यहां से ये 2 नीचे आ जाएगा.
क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन.
क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो इट विल बी इनटू 3 upon 2. So x की वैल्यू